Children, very good morning. Today we shall discuss about the three questions. There was a king. His opinion was that if he will be able to know the answer of these three questions, he will succeed in his life. Question 1 was, what is the right time to begin anything? Second, with whom he should talk. Third, what is the most important thing? He sent his messenger here and there in the country, but no one came with the answer. Some said the king must have counselor, some said he should have the knowledge of religion, some said he must have astrologer. So their opinion was different. That's why the king went to search the person who will be able to answer of these three questions. So on the way he saw a farmer was digging the ground. He was very old. The king took pity on him and he took the axe and he started to dig the ground. He left his soldiers behind. His enemy was coming to murder him. When the king's soldier saw the enemy, they attacked upon him and he was very much wounded. And he came to the king. The king was digging the ground. The king saw his wound and he dressed his wound. He gave him cold water and bed to sleep. He recognized the person recognized the king. He was very much sad and he told the story that he made conspiracy against the king to kill him. The king returned all his property and he said that he will have mercy upon him and he would send his messenger and his servant to serve him. Thus the story comes to an end. From this story we learn that we should help others. We should have positive thinking. Dear children, in this connection I would like to tell you some life skill. Number 1, positive thinking. Second, negative thinking. Third, empathy. Positive thinking. Second, negative thinking. Third, empathy. Fourth, sympathy. Then effective communication, interpersonal relationship, go with emotion, and awareness. So in the life you should be awareness and you should have positive nature, positive thinking. Thus the story comes to an end. Now we shall see the exercise. Now the first question is, now see question number 1. Why was the king advised to go to magician? The king advised to go to the magician because he wanted to know the answer of the three questions. In answer to the second question, they said that the king must have counselor, priest and doctors. What suggestions were made in answer to the third question? Some have said that he should know about the religion. Some said he must have priests and doctors. Fourth, what suggestions were made in answer? Did the wise men win the reward? If not, why? No, the wise men did not win the reward because they did not give the correct answer and the king was not happy with them. Fifth, how did the king and the hermit help the wounded man? Who was the bearded man? The king. How did the king and the hermit help the wounded man? The king gave the wounded man cold water and he dressed his wound. Thus he served him very much. Who was the bearded man? The bearded man was the enemy of the king. Why did he ask for the king's forgiveness? He asked the king's forgiveness because the king served him very much. He gave him cold water, he dressed his wound. That's why he was very thankful to him. The king forgave the elder man. What did he do to show his forgiveness? He helped him in various ways. He returned his kingdom and he sent his messenger to serve him. Last, what were the hermit's answer to the three questions? Write each answer separately. Write each answer separately. The time, at the time when he was helping the farmer, that was the important time, and the farmer was the most important person, and the digging was the most important work. Now see the next, working with the language. See, wounded, awoke, forgive, faithful, pity, beds, return, got up from, return. Now you have to match A with B. Match items in list A with their meaning in list B. Wounded, severely injured. Awoke, got up from sleep. Forgive, pardon. Faithful, loyal. Pity, feel sorry for. Beds, small patches of ground for plow. Return, give back. Now see question number 2 on page number 15. The judge said that only fresh evidence would make him change his judgment. Second, I did not notice any serious difference of opinion among the debaters, although they differed. Third, answer, but will you accept my answer? Fourth, it is not necessary, that necessity. Fifth, hermits are wise, their wisdom. Sixth, the committee has decided the decision. Seventh, forgiveness, willingness to forgive. Now children, as home assignment, you will select 10 difficult words and consult the dictionary. After consulting the dictionary, you will write those 10 words in your copy and meaning also. Thank you.